Hey guys, welcome to episode 1 of SlimeCraft. If you don't know my name, it's Slimy, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So SlimeCraft, we're gonna try to get like diamonds. Yeah, it's basically normal survival, but it's just named SlimeCraft because you know me. And if you guys do not know what I look like, this is what I look like. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's that many trees around. It's only this tree and that tree over there. But I guess we're gonna have to deal with it. Just get this wood. Like so. I'm gonna try to make each video like 5 minutes. So it's good enough for you guys to enjoy them. And it's not too short or long to where it's annoying you guys. It's annoying the crap out of you guys. So let me just break these leaves. I hate breaking leaves, but it's good because you can get the saplings to grow more trees. Okay, and we're done. Oh, we just got a sapling from that one. That was lucky. And I'm starting to see more trees as I go this way. Oh, there's a temple. That's good. We can get diamonds straight off the bat. Let's just get some stuff. I'm not even going to worry about breaking this one's leaves. I might live in the temple. I just got the achievement getting wood. That's funny. I'm stuck. Let me out. Thank you. Oh, that was really lucky. I got an apple. I didn't even mean to get one. Okay, so we're going to use some materials to get out. I'm just going to use some sand. Maybe like 20 pieces. And guys, I'm not dumb. I know like the secrets, like the explosives and stuff inside the TNT and stuff. So, let's just go in the temple. Oh. Okay. I remember it used to be wool. Let me just break this. Okay, we're in. I hate that pretzel plate. Okay. Oh, an emerald and some gold. I'm gonna need some string and gunpowder and stuff. I don't need the rotten flesh, though. I don't think there's gonna be any diamonds in this one. Oh, there's a horse saddle. That's good. Oh, one diamond. Another horse saddle and some sour saddle. Getting even more sand. Oh, armor for the horse. That's neat. Don't need any of that stuff. I already been in this one, right? Yep. Where's the hole? Okay, and we're out. Well, not out yet. Okay. So, that was cool. But That was an amazing adventure, though. But I just can't believe we got this diamond. Right here. But I'm afraid I'm going to have to end the video right there because it's been five and a half minutes. So, yeah. So, like I said, we're going to range for about 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes per video. So, that will be the end of today's video. Bye.